Okay, so let's work on combining fractions. Okay, so suppose you have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 5. What do you do? So you have fractions with unlike denominators. So what you do is you use the LCM of the denominators, which is called least common denominator. You use that, okay, to form common denominator. So LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So I'm going to change this one here to 10 by multiplying by 5, and I have to do the same thing for the numerator. So 1 over 2 is 5 over 10, and 3 over 5 is 6 over 10, right? Because I multiply this by 2, that by 2. Now that I have the denominators the same, okay, all I have to do is add the numerators. So it becomes 5 plus 6 over 10, which is 11 over 10. Okay, so now moving into algebra, what if you have the same fractions but with a variable k? By the way, if we write half k, this is the same as k over 2. This k in the middle is on the top. Okay, so what you do is the same thing. So don't let a K scare you. All right. So what am I teaching you? Say follow the rules, be bold, right? As long as you follow the rules, you should be fine. So what do you do when you have fractions? Anything with fractions in it, use LCM. Okay, so this whole thing becomes the same thing as 11k over 10. The only difference is there's a letter attached to it. Okay, can you simplify this expression right here? How do you do it? You distribute, right? Distribute. So it's 2 times x, it's 2x minus 6. Here, be very careful. It's negative 4 times x, it's negative 4x. And negative 4 times negative 4 become positive. Be very careful. You make a mistake here, the whole thing is going to be wrong. After that, what do? I group my like terms, 2x and negative 4x. The sign before a term goes with it. So when I move it closer here, I bring the negative with it. And then the negative 6 plus 16. What is 2 minus 4? It's negative 2. Negative 2x plus 10. Or we can write a positive number first and the negative number second. That's your answer. What about this number 4 here? Okay, again, you have fractions. Anytime you have fraction in it and you want to get rid of it, what comes to mind? LCM or LCD, least common denominator. So 5 and 3, the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. We are going to use that to get rid of to make it 1, to combine it. Okay, to combine it. This is not an equation. See, this is not equals to a number 9 or anything. So it's not an equation. This is just an expression. So we are going to combine this by using the LCM. So how do we convert 5 to 15? The LCM is 15. We multiply this by 3. And we have to do the same thing with the top. So we have to use parentheses, okay? So we multiply the top by 3 and the bottom by 3. We get 15 here. And here we have to multiply this by 5 and also the top by 5. And we use parentheses. Okay, so now we have the same denominator. Now what do? We distribute and simplify the top. That is why I gave you this exercise. So now do that, combine like terms, and what do you get? Oops, this becomes 6, becomes 11x. Did I do it right? 6x, 11x minus 24 over 15. All right, what about this one? So try this, pause the video, review everything I've done, make sure you get the same answers. Don't be in a hurry to go through this video and say you're done, step by step. Then come to number 5. What did you get? Did you use the LCM of 3, 5, and 6? What did you get? Okay, 30. So your final answer should look like this. Negative 37x plus 9y plus 1 over 4 equals. What about this one? Use the LCM of 2 and 5. Your final answer should look like this. And then that one, pause the video, try it first, check the answer. Okay, pause the video, try it first, check the answer. What about this one? Pause the video, try it. If you get it wrong, go back and keep doing it until you get it right. That's how you learn. Don't just move on. Okay? All right, this one. This is 3. What about that one? Is it over 15? I gotta check this answer again. Okay. All right. So, okay, I'll send you the answer for the last question. But so far, these are the answers you get. Keep on practicing, and all things being equal. All right. Practice at least makes what? Improvement. All right. I'll send you the answer for number 10. Have a good day.